Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate IBM Cloud CLI to manage VPS remotely. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate IBM Cloud CLI to manage your VPS, navigate to the official IBM Cloud website. Log into your IBM Cloud account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Manage option in the top menu. From the drop-down list, click on Account. In the Account settings, find the API Keys section. Click on Create an API key to generate a new key. Name your API key for easy identification and click Create. Copy the generated API key and store it securely. Next, download the IBM Cloud CLI installer for your operating system. Visit the IBM Cloud CLI GitHub page for the latest version. Select the appropriate installer based on your platform Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Follow the installation instructions specific to your operating system. After installation, open your command line interface. Type IBM login and press enter. When prompted, paste your API key to log in. Once logged in, you can start managing your VPS. To view your available resources, run the command IBM Resource Service List. Use the command IBM SL versus list to list your virtual servers. To access a specific VPS, use the command IBM SL versus detail VPS_ID. Now you can perform various management tasks on your VPS directly from the command line. Feel free to explore the IBM Cloud CLI documentation for more advanced commands and features. You are now ready to manage your VPS remotely using IBM Cloud CLI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.